Tha asigi taramapal amasung kuntarukta tangkak ani thokna pangthokkadouriba Inner Amadi Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency gi Meekhal mangoinana ngasi CEO Manipur Pradeep Kumar Jha na signature campaign houdokkhre. Meekhal Asi Hingsa Yaodaba Amadi voter masing Yamna Thorakpa Meekhal ama Oihallasi haina CEO na meeyamda appeal tourakli. Lamfel Pate Labor Chief Electoral Officer gi Conference Hall da pangthokkiba signature campaign houdokpagi thauram maduka mari leinana CEO na hai ngasi houdokkiba signature campaign asigi maru oiba pandam de lakliba Lok Sabha Meekhal asida voter masing yamna thoraknaba amade kanagumba amatagi thawinsin yaudana masana pamjaba mihut khanba ngamnabane. Meekhal asigi matangda kanagumba voter singna khangingba leirabade CEO Manipur na hanglaga thamliba civil know your candidate saksam app amade toll free number 1950 asina chingba sing asidagi khangba yagane. Meekhal asiga mari leinana meeyamda paujel piba public advertisement hoarding print and electronic media na chingbada advertisement haptuna voter khudingmak ethical voting gi lausing lainaba CEO Manipur na khonagani haina mahakna phungdokhe. Mahakna makhata na hai tangkak ani thokna pangthokkadouriba Meekhal asiga mari leinana hingsa gi thodok thoktanaba amade asoi angam amata yaudanaba CEO Manipur na security gi akanba checking thaurak Manipur gi tongan ba mafam singda lokhatpa haure. Amaromda Meekhal asi mai pakna pangthoknabagi damak polling personnel singe training pangthokpa yauna flying squad amade quick response team video surveillance amade static surveillance team singe deployment akanba maungda pinaba honare. State amade central force na su Meekhal da apanba thokalakpa yaba mafam sing amade khudong thiba thorakpa yaba area sing da checkpoint kaya hangdoktuna pak sana checksin thaurang lokhatle. Nakala maromda housing thokliba irang asina maram oiraga relief camp ta changjafam lauduna lairiba apunba voter listing kunmari ga chamanga gi su akhanaba polling station marifodara mari hangdoktuna vote thadanaba thabak paikhatpa haure haina mahakna makhata na phungdokhe.
So across 10 districts in more than 300 relief camps we have identified as of now approximately 24,500 voters. And for them, arrangements have been made. We have distributed the ID forms through which the displaced voters would be giving the choice for the polling station, especially created for them where they would be voting. So in the state, 94 special polling stations have been created for the IDPs, the internally displaced voters.